Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to create this text effect with fill with any picture. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you enjoy my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit that small like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps support the channel and allows me to keep creating content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. So just closing this page quickly and opening a new one. Going to the apps and searching for the type cutout. I just type any text just for fun. We can change the background to any which is in the app, and we can change the line height like this. Might be not working properly with maybe these three lines is already too much. Okay, just deleting one. So now line height is now it's more better to use it. So here we can choose a file. Just upload any picture. As you see, I just uploaded a picture. Then here is another function, start edit mode. Here we can rotate our picture and we can scale it. Like this. Finish editing and add to design. And here is the result. Maybe this font was not the best what I choose. Just try with a bit more normal font type. In the start edit mode, I just here just rotating back, then here you go, we have this really nice result. Maybe still too far from each other, the two lines. Just yeah, I just reduced the size. I did reduce the line height, and if you would like to use like a shadow on it, that's very easy. Open a new page. This is page number 4. Just download as a PNG only the page 4 with transparent background. Going back to the page number 5. Wait until this picture is downloaded. Adding to the design. Just I'm curious, is it really? No. The background was not removed. Maybe this is due to there was a transparent background and the Canva can't do it. But now I remove the background. I just changing to to this. Increase the size, and now I'm going to edit. Shadows, drop shadow, and distance a bit reduced. And here we go, like this beautiful text with a drop shadow. Of course, this picture is not really good for this kind of project. That was a first one what I just find in a Canva and just downloaded just to show you how can use this application. But now this video is going to the end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Ciao.